Alright, to fix the sway bar creak, you're going to remove the sway bar end links. So there's an 18mm nut that holds that one on, 18mm nut that holds this one on, and the bushing right there. You hear it creaking. So what happens is the sway bar moves inside the bushing and it causes it to creak. So we're going to spray some lubricant in here between the bushing and the sway bar on both sides. Work the sway bar up and down until you can get some of that lubricant inside there. I use what's called HHS from Worth. Works really, really good. I think some PB Blaster or WD-40 actually might work too. You want something that'll penetrate, but see, you can see the bushing, it's all rotted and dry and starts creaking on the sway bar. Fortunately, from the factory standpoint, you can't replace the bushings. You have to replace the entire sway bar. So that's what we do when we have this noise. So we're gonna do that and see how it sounds afterwards. We're going to spray some on this side, spray some on the back side, and then just work the sway bar up and down. And I work the stuff in between the bushing and the sway bar itself. We have success. No more creaking. It goes up and down. You can't barely see this one, sorry. This one is good. Nice and smooth, so you can see I got lubrication all in there. So basically working it back and forth with the pry bar. So you can put your pry bar here, kind of pry it to the left, spray underneath, pry it to the right. So you can see right here, where this collar is where you want to spray too. And so you work the sway bar back and forth. So let's put it back together, go for a drive, and see if we have any noise. Here we go, moment of truth. Ooh, sounds good. If it doesn't make noise over these speed bumps, it's definitely not going to. Awesome. Sounds great. We fixed it.